Hello Facebook, hi everybody. It is Jamie here and it is cocktail time with Jamie. It is Wednesday afternoon. I am a little bit later than I normally am, so hopefully people will catch me. I just got done sending out an email with my spicy paloma recipe in it. So if you haven't caught that video, that was a few weeks ago, but I did make a spicy paloma. So thanks everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. I see some people joining right now. I know it takes a few minutes sometimes to log in. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate you joining. Give me a thumbs up, say hi, let me know you're here. Let me know what you are drinking in your glass today. It is hump day, so it's Wednesday. Aroma Thyme is closed. I am actually getting ready to go out I was gonna go out for a hike, but the sky is getting dark, so I'm not so sure that's gonna happen, so I might get on the bike. I already worked out this morning at 5:30 this morning. I did a Zoom class. I did all legs today, so thanks to Sergeant Cindy for her Zoom classes that have been getting me by 3 days a week for the last, gosh, I don't know how many months, I guess since January, I think I've been doing it. 3 days a week, 5:30 in the morning. I have been working out. I've been doing weights, so that is cool because that gives me the opportunity to do that, to do weights. And then some days I will still walk or run, and then the other days I either do the bike or I go hike or I run. I do a bunch of different things. So thanks everybody for joining me. Aroma Thyme is closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I'm sorry, Albie, we are closed right now. I am here. I am doing a video, and then I'm hoping to get out and go for a hike. Hopefully we won't get too bad of weather, and I can head up to Sam's Point. I wanted to try to get up there and do the 3-mile loop. If that doesn't work, then I will get on the bike for a little bit and do that. Thanks everybody for buying salmon from us. So we did 10-pound cases of salmon to go last week. If you are still interested in that, please give me a call, send me an email. 10 pounds of salmon is about 24 pieces. They're 6 to 7 ounces each. It's a case of salmon, and it was $14.99 a pound, so $150 for that case. That is a huge, huge savings. It is usually $18.99 a pound, so that is $4 off each pound, which is huge. So that is a $40 savings on the case. So if you were to buy that from us next week, it would be $190. So stock up, put in your freezer. They're frozen, individually cryovac pieces of salmon, and it is great. They're great to grill. I know lots of you get those from us. We will be open tomorrow. Tomorrow is our $9.99 burgers to go. Any of our burgers, including vegetarian burgers. We also have our shrimp scampi with rice and broccoli for $9.99 to go. We have jazz in the garden tomorrow night at 6:30. John Simon will be out there with his crew. We have a beer dinner on Monday night out in our garden at 6:30. So 4 beers and a dish. I don't know if Marcus has chosen the beers. I'm assuming he has, but he pulls them right off of our shelves. Father's Day is coming up, so we've been talking about what we're going to do for Father's Day. We're definitely going to do some barbecue items. We're talking about $5 pints of beer all day long here at Aroma Thyme. The streets are supposed to be closed this weekend, so you can dine out on the street. There's probably going to be music. Our garden will be open. We got a lot going on here at Aroma Thyme. As usual, we are busy. We're going to try to get up. Well, we are going to go to Jamestown and go watch Justin pitch. Tomorrow is opening day for the Jamestown Tarp Skunks, so super excited. From what I understand, Justin is going to come in as a relief pitcher, so that is exciting. My parents are going with us. Can't wait to see him pitch again. And that's it. But today I'm going to be making a hibiscus summer garden punch. So let's see. I actually forgot to get ice, so give me a second. Let me get ice. I'll be right back. All right, here I am. So I have ice in my shaker. I am going to add 2 ounces of gin. I I'm going to add a splash of green bar hibiscus liqueur. So probably about an ounce. And then I'm going to add a couple of squirts of lemon juice. So this is fresh lemon juice, everybody. That's what I use here at Aroma Thyme. The recipe calls for creme de cacao. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna add a splash of creme de cacao in there. I'm gonna add a splash of agave. I am going to shake this on up. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Hello, everybody. Hello, Ralph. Hello, Susan. Hello, Denny. Hello. I know there were some other people on. Sean was on. I'm going to put that in my glass. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to add a splash of lemon lime soda, which is agave sweetened. And I am going to top it off with a fresh strawberry. Put some strawberries in my drink as well. And there you have it, my Hibiscus Summer Garden Punch. Let's go ahead and taste it. Ooh. Wow, that is good. Delicious. Wow, that hibiscus is yummy. So it's a punch. So look for this recipe. Look for the recipe. I write all my recipes down. Some I look up online and then I tweak it to what I think it should be and then I make it. Some drinks I never even taste until I've made them for you. So hopefully you will try to make some of these fun drinks at home. I appreciate everybody watching me every day. I probably will not be on Thursday or Friday, so catch me back on next Monday. If I get on tomorrow or Friday, I will be out and about, but maybe I'll go to a bar and have them make me a cocktail and sit there and enjoy it and do a FaceTime Live with you, Facebook Live. And that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome day, awesome weekend. Get out there, enjoy. It's supposed to be nice in the 70s and 80s and sunny. So that's exciting, really exciting. And that's it. Hope you have an awesome day. Cheers and great drinks as usual, Jamie. You're welcome, Ralph. Cheers to everybody. Have an awesome day. Enjoy the upcoming weather and stay dry. It looks like that rain is going to be coming in any minute here. So stay dry. Enjoy. Our garden's open. You can still come in and get wine and beer and spirits from us. Our grocery store is still available. Come on in, check it out. And that's it. Cheers, everybody. Have an awesome night. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.